Egg and Veggie Scramble. A wholesome breakfast delight. One of the best ways to start your morning on a healthy note is with an egg and veggie scramble. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything about egg and veggie scramble, including its benefits, preparation techniques, variations, and serving suggestions. Spinach, bell peppers, and onions are classic choices, but you can customize the scramble with your favorite veggies. The result is a fluffy, flavorful, and nutrient-rich dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day, although it's particularly popular for breakfast. 1. Nutrient-dense. Eggs are a rich source of protein, healthy fats, and various vitamins, while vegetables add fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making this dish a well-rounded meal. 3. Customizable. You can adapt the recipe to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs, incorporating different vegetables, herbs, and spices. 4. Budget-friendly. Eggs and vegetables are affordable ingredients, making this dish a cost-effective option for nutritious meals. 5. Delicious and satisfying. The combination of fluffy scrambled eggs and vibrant veggies creates a satisfying and flavorful dish that can please anyone. The nutritional benefits of egg and veggie scramble. Here are some key nutritional advantages. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein. A single large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining muscle mass. Adding vegetables increases the overall protein content of the dish. 2. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and folate. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. They also provide vitamins A and B6. Onions. Onions add flavor and contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. The fats found in eggs are primarily unsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. The fiber from the vegetables helps support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and improving gut health. The high protein content in egg and veggie scramble can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Additionally, the low calorie count makes it a great option for those looking to manage their weight. 4 large eggs. 1/2 onion, diced, yellow, red, or white, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter, optional toppings, shredded cheese, fresh herbs, avocado slices, hot sauce. 1. Prep the vegetables. Set aside. In a bowl, crack the eggs and whisk them until the yolks and whites are well combined. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Sauté for about 3-4 minutes until the onion is translucent and the bell pepper is tender. 4. Add the spinach. Add the chopped spinach to the skillet and sauté for an additional 1-2 minutes until wilted. Pour the whisked eggs over the sautéed vegetables. As the eggs begin to set, gently stir and fold the mixture until the eggs are fully cooked but still moist and fluffy. This should take about 3-5 minutes. 7. Taste and adjust. Serve your egg and veggie scramble hot. Top with your favorite optional toppings such as cheese, fresh herbs, or avocado slices. Don't overcook. Overcooked eggs can become rubbery. Experiment with vegetables. Feel free to customize your scramble with other vegetables like tomatoes, zucchini, mushrooms, or kale. Add spices. Enhance the flavor by adding spices such as garlic powder, paprika, or turmeric. Creative variations of egg and veggie scramble. While the classic egg and veggie scramble is delicious on its own, you can elevate it further with these creative variations. 1. Cheesy egg and veggie scramble. Cheddar, feta, or mozzarella are great options. Finish with fresh herbs like oregano or parsley for added flavor. 3. Southwestern egg scramble. Add black beans, corn, and diced jalapenos for a spicy kick. Top with avocado slices and salsa for a satisfying Southwestern twist. Mix in Italian herbs like basil and oregano, along with diced zucchini and sun-dried tomatoes. Serve with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. 5. Smoked salmon scramble. 6. Curried egg scramble. 7. Egg and veggie muffins. These muffins are perfect for meal prep and can be stored in the fridge for a quick breakfast. Egg and veggie scramble can be enjoyed in various ways. Here are some serving suggestions to complement your scramble. 2. With avocado. Top your scramble with slices of avocado or guacamole for a creamy texture and healthy fats. 3. As a wrap. 5. With hot sauce. If you enjoy some heat, drizzle your scramble with your favorite hot sauce or sriracha. If you have leftovers, storing and reheating them properly is essential to maintain the dish's flavor and texture. Freezing. For longer storage, you can freeze the scramble in an airtight container for up to 2 months. However, note that the texture may change slightly upon thawing. Reheating. Microwave. To reheat, place the desired portion in a microwave-safe dish and cover it. Heat on medium power in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until heated through. Skillet. Alternatively, you can reheat the scramble in a non-stick skillet over low heat, stirring occasionally until warm. Its versatility. You can enjoy this dish in various forms, making it suitable for different occasions, dietary preferences, and flavor profiles. Here are some more ideas to inspire your creativity. Egg and veggie scramble can easily be dressed up for brunch gatherings. Consider setting up a build-your-own scramble bar where guests can customize their dishes with a variety of toppings, such as salsa, different types of cheese, fresh herbs, and avocados. 2. Meal prep. Magic egg and veggie scramble is perfect for meal prepping. Make a large batch at the beginning of the week, portion it into containers, and refrigerate or freeze for quick meals throughout the week. Simply reheat in the microwave or on the stovetop, and you'll have a nutritious breakfast ready in no time. While egg and veggie scramble is often enjoyed for breakfast, it can also be a delightful lunch or dinner option. Serve it with a side of whole grain toast or a mixed green salad for a complete meal. It's a fantastic way to incorporate more vegetables into your daily diet at any time. The basic recipe for egg and veggie scramble can be easily adapted to fit various dietary needs. Vegetarian. The classic recipe is already vegetarian friendly, making it a great option for those avoiding meat. Vegan. Substitute the eggs with tofu or chickpea flour. Gluten-free. This dish is naturally gluten-free. Low carb. Keto. For a low-carb version, simply skip the toast and serve the scramble on its own or with avocado slices for added healthy fats. The cultural influence of scrambles. Here's a quick look at some international variations of egg scrambles. 1. Spanish tortilla. In Spain, the tortilla is a thick omelette made with eggs, potatoes, and sometimes onions. It's typically served in wedges and can be enjoyed hot or cold. It's a hearty and satisfying dish that shares similarities with the concept of a veggie scramble. 2. Shakshuka. Originating from North Africa and popular in the Middle East, shakshuka consists of poached eggs cooked in a spicy tomato and bell pepper sauce, often spiced with cumin and paprika. It's served with bread for dipping, making it a delicious breakfast or brunch option. 3. Huevos rancheros. A classic Mexican dish, huevos rancheros features fried eggs served on corn tortillas and topped with a zesty salsa. It's often accompanied by beans, avocado, and cheese, providing a flavorful and filling meal. This Turkish dish is similar to shakshuka and consists of scrambled eggs cooked with tomatoes, peppers, and spices. It's typically served with bread, making it a hearty breakfast choice. 5. Korean Gyeran Jjim * vegetables and seafood can be added for extra flavor and nutrition. While eggs are a nutritious food, some individuals may have dietary restrictions or health concerns regarding egg consumption. Here are some considerations. Eggs are known for their cholesterol content, with one large egg containing about 186 milligrams of cholesterol. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. Organic, pasture-raised, or free-range eggs often come from chickens that are raised in healthier environments and may contain more omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins. 3. Cooking methods. The way you cook eggs can influence their health benefits. 4. Portion control. While eggs are nutritious, portion control is essential. Pair your scramble with plenty of vegetables to increase volume and nutrients while keeping calories in check. If you serve your scramble on toast or in a wrap, choose whole grain options. Whole grains are higher in fiber and nutrients than refined grains, promoting better health and digestion. Egg and Veggie Scramble is a versatile, nutritious, and delicious breakfast option that can be tailored to fit anyone's taste preferences. Packed with protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, this dish provides a fantastic way to start your day on the right foot. Whether you're looking for a simple weekday breakfast, a fancy brunch dish, or a meal prep option, an egg and veggie scramble fits the bill perfectly. Happy cooking!